Do you ever wonder why some people seem to have it all, while others struggle just to get by? Is there a secret to their success that you're missing out on? Well, wonder no more, because we have just the thing for you. Introducing The Miracle Law, The Pristine Path to Purpose and Prosperity by Thejendra Sreenivas, the definitive guide to the law of attraction. This book has been designed with one goal in mind: to simplify the often confusing and overwhelming world of law of attraction and make it accessible to everyone. This book will help you understand the law of attraction in a way that's easy to digest and apply to your life. Most books on this topic use complex words like manifest, subconscious mind, abundance, endless possibilities, affirmations, vibrational alignment, etc., and confuse people. But this book is a short and snappy guide that cuts straight to the heart of the matter. The Miracle Law covers everything you need to know about law, from how it works to how you can use it to manifest your dreams. You'll learn from real-life examples of celebrities who practice law, and you'll discover how to align yourself with the universe to create abundance and prosperity in your life. The information in this book is perfect for anyone who's new to the law of attraction, or who's looking for a quick refresher. You won't find any unnecessary fluff or jargon here, just practical advice that you can start applying to your life right away. So, if you're ready to unlock the power of the universe and achieve your wildest dreams, then The Miracle Law is the book for you. The Miracle Law, the perfect guide to the law of attraction. Order your copy today. Start manifesting your dreams and begin your journey to purpose and prosperity. Available in both paperback and all ebook formats. Thanks for watching this video. By the way, if you have any unused cash stashed away in secret bank accounts, precious gold bars, rare gems, priceless paintings, rare dinosaur bones, or asteroid pieces, luxury cars, private jets, or even an exotic island somewhere, please donate them to support this channel. Donation link is in description and pinned comment below. Become an author course. If you are a newbie, I can coach you online to write a book with my self-paced video course. Publish your book. If you have written a book and looking for a publisher, I can help you to self-publish it worldwide on Amazon, Apple, Kobo, Barnes & Noble, Google Play, Flipkart, etc., with my affordable assisted publishing service. Visit www.authorworld.com for details. Contact me at thejendra@yahoo.com and thejendrabs@gmail.com for more details.